Yeah, we're here at Terminal 3 already, and we passed through immigration already. But before that, we paid muna yung travel tax natin and immigration, and then we passed through security also. So we're here at the boarding gate and we're waiting until we start boarding by actually the flight leaves at 6:55 in the morning. So it's around 5:10, 5:15 at this time. So medyo early kami. So we have time to relax ng konti. So we'll show you medyo konti pa lang yung tao by this time. Okay.
Hi! Andito na kami sa room. Actually, nag-grocery kami. There is a near Carrefour sa hotel namin. It's just 5-minute walk. Ito na yung mga napamili namin. Ayan.
Hindi talaga ako pinakit.
Ayan siya. Hinahati namin kasi yung half ng mga napamili namin, ibigay namin kila mother. Ayan. Kaya, guys, kung gusto niyo magtipid, I suggest mag-grocery kayo. Punta kayo sa supermarket. Ayan. We bought bananas. And then, we bought apple. Ayan, o. Tapos, may konting chips kami dito. Ayan. And then, also, caramel popcorn. Ayan. And then, eto guys, na-amaze ako dito. They have papaya milk. Look! Ganda, diba? Ayan. Actually guys, di na kami nakapag-room tour kasi sobra kaming pagod. As in, wala pa kaming tulog. Actually, up to now, nahiga lang kami kanina. Siguro mga few minutes lang, pero wala eh. Na-excite kami. Ay, guys, may mapapakita pala ako sa inyo. May Ovaltine dito na warm. Here, oh. Diba? Ovaltine. Binili namin kanina to sa 7-Eleven. Actually, masarap siya kasi warm. Ayan. Actually, guys, makalat na yung room namin. Ayan. Ayan. And there's a TV right here. Then, ayan. Here's our luggage. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung bathroom. CR. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan.
Naiwan yata yung knife.
Oh.
Knife. Wala.
Ganun. Patay.